Hey y'all, it's Carrie with Beginner Dance Tutorials, and today I'm gonna teach you a short little routine to Fancy Like by Walker Hayes. I've seen this piece of choreography trending on social media, and I thought it would be fun to share a tutorial with y'all. Please note that this is not my choreography. I'm gonna link the original video down in the description below, and it's Walker Hayes, the artist of the song, dancing it with his daughter. And I'll also share a link down there of me dancing it with music, because this video is the tutorial only. So you will not find the music at all in this video, but when you're ready to see what it looks like with the music, you can check out that original video down below or the one that I'm gonna share of myself. All right, this is gonna be short and sweet and just something to get you up and moving and having fun. Hopefully you can't mess it up. If you're moving, you're doing it right. Let's do it. All right, one last reminder that you can't mess it up. It may not be perfect, it may not look like me, mine may not look like other people's. It doesn't matter. If you're moving and you're having fun, that is all that matters. Here we go. So you're gonna start with 3 little steps, right, left, right, taking it back, and then you can do like a little touch with your left leg, and then you're gonna go to the left, left, right, left, touch. So we're moving backwards a little, right, touch, left, right, touch. 5, 6, step on your right. Go right, left, right, left. Or you can count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or you can count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And arms, I think you're kind of just pulling this right arm back as you step back on your right. Pull and pull and pull and pull. You can't mess it up. Try it. 5, 6, step on your right. Right, left, right, left. From here, you're gonna square yourself back to the front, put your feet just together, and you're gonna swing left, right. My hips wanna go with me, but you could just do your arms and not worry about your hips. You can kind of march with it, choose your own adventure. I'm gonna go left, right. If you go right first, that's fine too. Left, right. My arms here are gonna go cross, and then they just kind of come out, and then I'm gonna go up. And when I go up, I'm gonna do a little like hang 10 sign. So they're going cross, out, up. Try it. Cross, out, up. Again, cross, out, up. Cross, out, up. So you finished left, right. I'm gonna actually step forward on my right foot when I cross. Cross, out, and then I'm gonna lift my left knee up on up. Yeah? So you're going right foot and left foot. It's not exact, just have fun with it. Cross and up. Try it. 5, 6, step on your right. Cross and up. 5, 6, step on your right. Cross and up. I did that the whole time, that's mine too. So you did left, right, cross and up. Try it. 5, 6, swing to the left. Left, right, cross and up. Again. 5, 6, swing to the left. Left, right, cross, out, up. Woo! From the top, you're gonna go 3 steps. Left, right, cross, out, up. Try it. 5, 6, 3 steps back we go. Right, right. Swing it to the left. Cross out, up. One more time. 5, 6, step back on your right. Go right, right. Swing it. Left, right, cross out, up. Woo! How we doing? You can pause it and practice it. How we doing? You gonna answer? No, this is a video. You can pause it, practice that, go back, watch it again. If you're ready, let's go on to the next step. So you finished here with your left knee up. Your hands were wherever your hands ended up. It's all good. Footwork, you're gonna just step to the left, touch your right, step to the right, touch your left. So a little step together, a step together, a step together. Woo! Arms. Your hands, your palms are gonna face your face, and you're gonna push them out away from you in little circles. But we're gonna go to the left, when we step to the left, and to the right when we step to the right. So you're just pushing them away. This is the whipped cream step. So we're going whipped cream on you. Yeah, don't hate me. I'm terrible with lyrics. They never come out right. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. They say 2 straws, and you're gonna cross, and we have 2 fingers, 1 check, and that's your 1. 2 straws, 1 check. And if you want to, you can kind of, you know, move your shoulders side to side, whichever way it comes out. But it's 2, and then 1, and then girl, I got you, you're gonna point, you know, I got you, yeah? So this is, the counts would be 5, 6, 7, and then we're gonna go 8, and I'm gonna lean forward a little. 8, and a little scoop out, scoop out, scoop out. So it's 2 checks, 1 straw, girl, I got you, scoop out. Yeah, try that. 2, 1, point, scoop out. 5, 6, 7, 2 fingers. 2, 1, point, scoop out. 5, 6, 7, 2 fingers. 2, 1, point, boop, boop. Yeah, boop, boop. Before that was whipped cream, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5, 6. The whipped cream step goes left, together, right, 2 fingers, 2, point, then scoop. Woo, one more time, all that. 5, 6, step to your left. This is the whipped cream step. 2 fingers, 2, 1, point, scoop, scoop. Good job. Seriously, you're doing a great job. I'm saying really weird things. So we're gonna go back to the top really slow for your brain. 3 steps to the right. 5, 6, 3 steps back. Go right, left, right, left, right. Swing to the left. 1, 2, 3, cross out, up, cross out, up. Now we go whipped cream to the left. Then we do 2 fingers, 2, 1, then we point, then we go scoop, scoop. 5, 6, 3 steps back. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, swing. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and great job. You finished here, yeah, your arms are out. We're gonna do a little snake to the right and a little snake to the left. So all you're doing, you can always just step touch side to side if you want. Yeah, right and left. And just kind of take that right arm up. If you want a snake, you just lead with your shoulder and then the rest of your body comes later. So you snake it to the right, snake it to the left. Lead with your shoulder. Snake and snake. So you're just gonna do that 2 times, yeah? So we're gonna go 1 to the right, 1 to the left, and then you're gonna take your right foot, put it in front, and we're gonna do little hip bounces. And you're gonna go 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can't mess it up, have fun with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just put your arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So you go to the right, to the left, then 8 of these. Boop. Yeah? 1 time. 5, 6, snake it to the right. Go right and left. Shake your hip. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Great job. Let's go 1 time back to the top. 3 steps to the right. We're starting with your right. 5, 6, 3 steps back. Go right, left, right, left. Swing it to the left, left, right, cross out, up. Then we go whipped cream, 2 fingers, 2, 1, point. Then we snake right and a left. Then we shake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah! Fantastic. This is the last little set of steps. Short and sweet, super short. So we just finished the 8 hips. You're just gonna put your feet back together and we're just gonna reach and snap our arms up to the side. If you wanna step with it, if that feels better, you can. If you just kinda wanna bounce. But I'm just snapping. Right, left, 4 of them. If your fingers don't snap, that's okay. Just groove that hands up. You don't have to snap. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it says hey or hey, something. You're just gonna throw your hands up. Hey, like you're throwing something up in there. It's gonna be on the and count if you're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're gonna come down on 5 and we're gonna do a little wave. So you're just starting with one hand. This doesn't have to be perfect. Whatever you're doing is perfect. You're just waving through one hand and then you're gonna start and wave it back through the other. Yeah? I don't even know what this looks like. I'm gonna start with my right hand though. So you finish throwing up your hands and then you're gonna bring them down to start that wave side to side. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna start with my right, then my left. If it feels better to go left and right, do that. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. On and 8, you're gonna go right, left, step cross. So this is 6, 7, and 8. We threw our hands up on and, they come down 5, 6, 7, and 8. Does that look awkward? I don't care if it does. Okay, so the 4 snaps, then you go, hey, da 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 da. Yeah, try it real slow. 4 snaps. 5, 6, 7, 4 snaps. Go right, left, hey, da 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 da. Yeah, those are the words. Da 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 da. That's gonna come right after you do the hip shake. You're gonna step together and snap your finger. Great job, y'all. All right, super duper slow. We're gonna go back and put all those 4 sections together. And then we'll try it a little faster. So really slow. You're gonna go 1 and 2 and. This is really for your brain to kind of transition it all together. Here we go. 5, 6, step back on your right. Go 1 and 2. Now your left, 3 and swing it to the left. Left, right, cross out, up. Cross out, up. Whipped cream. Left, together, right, 2 fingers cross. 2, 1. Now you point. Point, scoop, scoop. Snake it to the right. Snake it to the left. Now your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we snap. Right, left, A. Da 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 da. Step cross. Great job, y'all. I think I'm having more fun with this one than I should be. Woo! Let's go back a little faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Ready? 5, 6. Step back on your right. Go 1 and 2, 3. Now you're gonna swing left, right, left, cross out, up. Whipped cream to the left, to the right. 2 fingers cross. 5, 6 point, 7 scoop. Now we snake. Right and left. Hips go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Snap up. Right, left. Hey, we wave right and left. Yeah, fantastic. All right, we're gonna do it one more time. I think it's at the right tempo of the music. Remember, when you're ready to try it with music, there's a separate video link down below for you to try it with the music. Let's do it one more time. Here we go. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6. Step back, right. Go right, left, right. Swing it to your left, right. Cross out, up. Whipped cream left and right. 2 fingers. 5, 6 point, 7. Snake it right and a left. Hip shakes. Go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Throw those snaps up. Throw it up on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah! Great job. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. I know I did. When you're ready to try it with music, remember there's that separate link down in the description below. Go dance it with music, it's fun. And if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, nice, easy, broken down steps, beginner dance tutorials, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you're notified of when new tutorials are released. Go have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you in another tutorial. Bye, y'all.